Would you looky there? Is that what I think it is? Boy, those are awfully large. A little bit longer than they are wide. Let's go ahead and open it up. Is that my Pentium Pros? We'll see, huh? And here it is, folks. The crossing of the Royal Canadian Geese. Here in my town, if the geese are crossing, you must let them, because they control all. Alright guys, later. How we doing, everybody? So, let's see. Where's that big server? You guys ever fight with one of these? Well, I was lucky and they had the power supply out. So I was able to reach in and take the screw out of it from the back. So to give you a look. And ta-da! I was hoping that this would be a Pentium Pro, but I can tell by the size it's not large enough, but I'm still guessing it's going to be a ceramic. At least I'm hoping. So let's take a look. It is ceramic, and my guess is a 486. Wait just a second here. Oh, those are just clips. Alright, let's see if I can work this out. Alright. Go. Ew! I hate that goopity goop. Let me see. I know I got a paper towel around here somewhere, guys. Well, that was kind of a bummer. I had started the video and my finger reached over and hit it somehow. What were we looking? We're looking for paper towels or something to wipe this off with. As you guys can see, I made a little bit of a dent since the flood. I ended up getting a storage unit for our flea market materials, and haven't been able to touch those yet. Did get yard semi straightened out, removed quite a bit. I hate this, I really do, and you know, my wife gets mad that I show the yard on video, but the way I look at it is, if I punish myself, it'll make me straighten it up. But like, you see the mower, and the other mower is up there. I'm gonna, well, everything but the tiller. I'm gonna sell that all to one guy. Yeah, that's right. The aluminum and the cans I may be taking in tomorrow. I haven't decided yet. The aluminum, I'm guessing I've got about 300 pounds. Hey, look what I got now. My wife talked my daughter into bringing her pole out. So both of my daughters and son-in-law, one son-in-law, not the other, are living with us again. And you know, I believe when a person's down and out, you go home, you know. And it doesn't matter whose home that is. If it's, if you need help, your family should help you. It's not a very easy life, and especially if you're not making enough to, provide yourself a savings. And then you have a bad thing go wrong, and then another thing, and then another thing. Next thing you know, no matter what you do, you can't help yourself. So, I've always been one for, if you need help, come home. Don't worry about it. You don't even have to ask. Just give us a call and say, I gotta move back home for a little while. In my eyes, that will always be available to my kids. Hey, I got a 486. So, I was hoping that's what it was. Well, actually. Alright. Hate that goopity goop. The silver stuff they're putting on is a little better. And there's going to be a lot of people that tell you that it is not silver. And there's going to be people that tell you that it is silver. My personal belief, because if you go and buy it from the store, the thermal paste, if you go buy it from the store, it tells you right on it that it's made with real silver. Now, if you look it up on Wikipedia, it says nothing about precious metals at all. But Wikipedia, it's just a collection of, well, they're not, it's a collection of facts, but, if the person who knows about that item has not commented on that item, then they do not have that knowledge. Does that make sense? Alright, let me wipe it off the heat spreader here. Ugh. Wow, stuff's pretty tight, or thick. So, I really wish, I was hoping this was going to be a dual socket server, but I'll take large socket either way. That board is, I think it's right around $3 a pound. Hey, what? This thing pretty much take anything you got. And, they emptied it though, didn't they? Had the old style memory. So, I'll click this back on later with the next one. Well, I just busted open the second case here. As you can see, they already got the CPU out. I'll let you guys see the next one. Would you looky there? Is that what I think it is? Boy, those are awfully large. A little bit longer than they are wide. Let's go ahead and open it up. Is that my Pentium Pros? We'll see, huh? Alright guys, so got these guys out. Let's see. Haha, they are. Look at that. No way. Mr. Murphy, you looking at this? Check it out. Man. That's so pretty. Awesome.
Wait.
1994, 96. Got 1995 on chips. Yeah, guys, this is only the second time I've had Pentium Pros on a board. This came out of IBM. I had to beat it to death to get them to release. So I'll check back with you in a bit. Alright, guys, so the decent computer here, came with 2 hard drives. I only had one peripheral card and one memory stick. So, any guesses as to what we might have? Let's see here. Now, I will tell you that the on the what do you call it? On the power supply, it said Pentium 4. Let's see. Hold that a second, Ava.
Okay.
I guess it would have been a lot easier if I would have left this in. Nope, it's not a Pentium 4. AMD Athlon. Green fiber. Well, the nice thing about this, it's easy to get the pins out of it. Alright, I'll here, show it over here. I'll get back to you guys on the next one. Guys, I'm pretty happy so far with this load I've gotten. Another IBM here. I've got 2 IBMs and a compact left. But I mean, we've got a couple peripherals, at least two memory sticks. Got the hard drive. Check this out. Actual IBM CD-ROM. I don't see those very much, you know. Usually they've been replaced. But we can see here that it's got it's going to be probably the Pentium 2. That's my guess, without digging any deeper. I'll get back with you. Alright guys, here's the next one. This is a compact, and it's compact. So, knocking them out here. I will give you guys an update here. I wonder what we got down here. Oh well. Looks like a Pentium 3 green fiber. Let's see here. Dun, dun, dun. So, we're getting there. Catch you guys on the next one. Alright, everyone. So, this will be the last for the computers here. Mama's calling me up to dinner. And, I just got to the last computer. And it is also a green fiber. So, what I ended up with was 2 beautiful Pentium Pros, a 486, got a Pentium 3, and the other computer says it's a Pentium 3, 3 other green fibers. I love these connector pieces. Easiest stripping fingers you ever find, right? A lot of neat stuff with this load. Still got to cut these fingers off, but what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 7 computers. I got 7 large socket motherboards. Guys, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty thankful for what I got. And let's see, 5. No, I ended up with 7 hard drives because 2 of them ended up having 2 hard drives in it a piece. And I wish they'd count this as a gold finger card, but they won't. So, guys, that's it. And the Micropolis, I did find out that this is a hard drive storage unit. And hopefully I can make a video on that and tack it to this. But I'm done for the evening. And all in all, ended up with 2 containers of wire because there was what, 2 trash bags full of wire came out of that load. That's all my plastics, and that's it, guys. So it's been a wonderful day. I took the day off, spent most of it just sitting in my chair and playing with computers. My wife laughs at me. She says, "You're working on your day off." Honestly, it's really the only time I get to just sit back and chill and go at my own pace, you know. Gonna have to get her out and take her fishing soon, though. She's starting to itch. But that's it, guys. Hope you have a wonderful week. I'm out of here, and we'll talk to you guys later.